Welcome back, students. Dear students, in this session, I would like to share the topic expression for critical temperature, critical volume, and critical pressure. We already know about the critical constants like critical temperature, critical pressure, and critical volume, which is already discussed in the previous session videos. Let us see the expressions for these critical constants. See here in this diagram, both are same, but this one left side diagram is a 3D view of pressure, volume, that is isotherm, and this one is right side. You can refer any one of these, but the second diagram is idealistic one. These are both are indicates critical isotherms. Let's suppose the critical isothermal ABC, here ABC shown here, at the critical point C, here red mark shown here, the curve is horizontal. The curve is just horizontal here at this point, little bit. Therefore, at this point, the tangent also crosses the curve. Therefore, the tangent at such a point is said to be stationary, and that point is called the point of inflection. That point is said to be point of inflection. Let us see the expressions. We know that the critical point is the unique point where both the ratio dp by dv equals 0 and d square p by dv square equals 0. This is one of the condition for unique point condition at the critical point. The van der Waals equation, we know that is p plus a by v square into v minus b equals RT. Here the pressure P is given by, just to reshuffle this one for solving pressure, we got P equals RT by v minus b minus a by v square. Let it be equation 1. On differentiating the equation 1, we get, when we differentiate the equation 1 with respect to volume, that is dp by dv equals minus RT upon v minus b whole square here plus 2a divided by vq. Just differentiate, a is constant here. When v square differentiate 1 by v square, we get plus 2a by v square. Let it be equation 2. Just differentiate equation 1 with respect to dv. We get equation 2. Again you differentiate equation 2 with respect to dv. That is d square p by dv square equals RT divided by v minus b whole cube. Here in the denominator v is there, hence we got this value. Here in this case 1 by v cube is there. Differentiate this one, we got minus 6a by v to the power 4. Let it be equation 3. At the critical point C, the unique point, that is dp by dv equals 0, and d square p by dv square is also equal to 0. At this condition, T is replaced by critical temperature Tc, pressure is replaced by critical pressure Pc, and volume is replaced by critical volume Vc. So substitute all these things in the above equations, that is 1, 2, 3. We get, when you substitute all the things in equation 1, we got Pc equals RTC, T is replaced by Tc, V is replaced by Vc, that is RTC by Vc minus B minus of A by V is replaced by Vc square, that is equation 4. Equation 2 becomes the same way, that is RTC divided by Vc minus B whole square equals 2A upon Vc cube, that will be equation 5. The same way, similarly, equation 3 becomes 3R into Tc divided by Vc minus B whole cube, which is equal to 6A upon Vc to the power 4, let it be equation 6. Now you divide equation 5 by equation 6. We get Vc minus B divided by 2, which is equal to Vc upon 3, or just cross multiplying this one, we get 3Vc minus 3b, 3 into Vc minus b, we get 3Vc minus 3b, 2 into Vc, that is 2Vc. Therefore, on further simplification of this one, we got Vc equals 3b. Let it be equation 7. This is the expression for critical volume, that is Vc equals 3b. Now substituting the value of Vc in equation 5, here in the right side of this slide, this is equation 5. Here Vc value you substitute here, we get RTC divided by Vc value is 3b minus b whole square equals, here RHS 2a upon Vc means 3b, that is 3b whole cube. On further simplification of this one, we got RTC divided by 4b square, which is equal to 2a by 27b cube. Therefore, on final simplification of this one, we get Tc, critical temperature, equals 8a divided by 27b into R. This is equation 8. This represents critical temperature. Now substitute the value of Vc and Tc, both these values in equation 4. Here equation 4, which is already derived in the previous slide, shown here. We just substitute value of Tc and Vc for this equation 4. We get Pc equals 8a R divided by 27br. 27br, here Tc is there numerator. For Tc, 8a by 27, 8a divided by 27br. In the denominator, Vc is there, equation 4, Vc value is 3b minus b minus a upon Vc square. Vc square means 3b square. You just substitute the values of Vc and Tc in equation 4, we get this equation. Now on further simplification of this one, we get 8a divided by 27 into 2b square minus a upon 9b square. Therefore Pc equals, take a divided by 9b square outside, then it becomes 8 by 6 minus 1. Here it is equal to a upon 9b square into 1 by 3. Therefore Pc equals a divided by 27 into b square. This is the expression for critical pressure. Hence equation, we know that Vc value is 3b, Tc value is 8a by 27br, and Pc value is a by 27b square. Now we can move towards constants for van der Waals equation. Here in the van der Waals equation, we know that P plus A by V square into B minus B equals RT. Here A and B are the van der Waals constant. We know that the critical temperature, which is already derived, that is 8A divided by 27 Br. Therefore, on further simplification, to get a ratio A divided by B equals 27 RTC by 8. Just you cross multiply all the things here, you get this value A by B. Let it be equation 1. Put the PC value, that is A by 27 B square, in the above equation 1. We get A by B square equals 27 PC. This is equation 2. Divide equation 1 by equation 2. We get here A upon B into A upon B square equals 27 RTC divided by 8 into 1 upon 27 PC. Just you divide equation 1 by equation 2, we get this one. And further simplification of this one, we get B equals RTC divided by 8 PC. Let it be equation 3. Substitute this equation 1, we get, just you substitute the value of B in equation 1, we get, that is A divided by, for B value is here RTC by 8 PC, RTC by 8 PC, which is equal to RHS same 27 RTC by 8. Therefore, to get A, constant A, you just cross multiply and simplify. Finally we get A equals 27 R square into TC square divided by 64 P in PC. Let it be equation 4. This is about the constants for van der Waals equation. Here equation 3 and 4, these two equations values, A and B values of van der Waals constants. Let us see the problems on these critical constants. Here first one is the critical temperature, pressure and volume of a gas are 33.1 degree Kelvin and 1.316 in 10 raised to plus 5 Newton per meter square and 6.56 in 10 raised to minus 5 meter cube per mole respectively. Calculate the van der Waals constants of the gas. That means he has given the values here. The critical temperature, pressure and volume of a gas given here. Just calculate van der Waals constant, that is A and B. For this one you can use the formula critical volume Vc equals 3B and critical temperature Tc equals 8A by 27 Br and critical pressure Pc equals A divided by 27 B square. Therefore B equals Vc divided by 3. Here this equation B equals, just cross multiply 3, that is Vc by 3. This is equal to Vc value is there given here. This is volume, that is third one, 6.56 in 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 3. This one 2.186 in 10 raised to minus 5 meter cube. This is B value. Similarly, for finding A value, you can use the formula Pc equals A by 27 B square here. Just cross multiply this one, Pc into 27 B square. Just substitute the B value here. 27 into B value is there, that is whole square, into Pc value is given 1.316 in 10 raised to plus 5. This is pressure. Just calculate here, simplify, you get 1.6979 in 10 raised to minus 3 joule meter cube per mole square. These are all about critical constants, van der Waals constants. Let us see the second one. Calculate the van der Waals constants for dry air given that critical temperature and critical pressure and R per mole is given 82.07 atmosphere per Kelvin. For this one you can use the formula critical van der Waals constant A and B like this. Here Tc is given, Pc is given and R value is given. You just substitute these values in the van der Waals constant equations. 27 R square Tc square by 64 Pc here. 27 by 64 into R value is given here 82.07 whole square. For Tc is given 132 whole square divided by Pc value is 37.2. After simplification and calculation you get this much value, 13.31 in 10 raised to 6 atmosphere centimeter to the power 6. The same way we can calculate van der Waals constant, that is B equals RTC by 8 Pc. Here Tc and Pc value substitute here, you get 36.41 centimeter cube. Third one is the van der Waals constant C and B for 1 gram molecule of hydrogen or 0.245 and B value is 2.67 10 raised to minus 2 liter per mole. Calculate the critical temperature of the gas. For this one, A is given here, that is 0.245 atmosphere liter square per mole square. Just you convert it to dynes centimeter per mole square. For this one you just multiply the pressure 13.6 into gravity 980 into 10 raised to 6. You get in terms of dynes CGS unit. Here the B value is given here, it is also converted like this, just multiply with 10 to the power plus 3. Here liter is converted into centimeter cube. R is given here, you just use the formula Tc equals 88 divided by 27 BR. A value substituted here, B value substituted here, and after calculation you get 33.14 degree Kelvin or minus 239.86 degrees Celsius. This is about the critical constants and van der Waals constant. Thank you.